think, Hiccup? Edith is checking you out, Hiccup. Oh, cat is down there sneezing. Jeez, cat. You okay down there? Sneezing. Looking at the lizards and sneezing. Hiccup is looking at you now, cat. What do you think, Edie? What do you think of Hickey? What do you think? I don't really know what to think. Oh, yeah, she's just gonna lick her log. Yeah. Yeah.